happy Sunday after, well, evening almost. Yeah, evening. So, I took a couple trades and pretty slick, really. So, I mean, I should have taken, the higher probability one was, if you look up here, right at the 845, 852 area, you get a stacked 1 hour. You have 1 hour right here. Sorry, 1 hour. You have 4 hour again, and then the daily, and you get some nice color flipped here, some good price action, and then really the best. I mean, you could be aggressive and enter here, and then your stops in this area, if you're wrong. But look, this is a daily again, stacked 4 hour again. So if you want to be more of a cautious entry, you can enter, wait for a delta, right? So let's just say you enter here, and that's where your stop would be. I wouldn't like it to have that too far, but I'd probably have it the swing high, and the fact that you're on micros, so you can see you took very little drawdown. So if you're in, you're able to kind of shoot for this VWAP, and then when it failed the VWAP, look, you can just trail this down, so you're going to get VWAP again, and you can see how it bounced off here pretty serious. So in any case, let's just say you got entry here. That's a nice 3 GANs on the 4, right? Just starting the night. So that's kind of a cool price action there. What I did, since I missed this, I waited for kind of a double. You have a nice bounce off this here, and then look at this. When I saw it bounce off our AI number here, down here at 215, and then it bounced up to 204, I jumped on right here, and I scalped up to right here and got out. So I got my, I didn't, obviously get in here. I was in probably, it was coming down, so I was getting in somewhere in this price range here. And so I basically got a GAN and a half-ish, but I probably got out here-ish, right? So basically a GAN, I got 1 4 hour GAN, and I'm glad I got out, because you can see it bounced off the one, which is one of my favorite trades, like the A+. Look at this. You get a doji, and these can be continuation dojis, right? It all depends on context, but they're happening right at a daily level, and you can see how that would have played out. You can see that you could have got in here. You didn't have a lot of other confirmation going on, but you could, again, playing your probabilities. You're going off a daily GAN. We'd already flushed down, so it's kind of a retracement, but not like a big tracement, just a basic one. And you could have actually got basically a GAN out of that. So that's another awesome opportunity that you could have already had. Already today you could have had a daily GAN here, flushing down. Again, I bounced off using this AI, and then the double, kind of like this little trend here, bounce off here, and then again, on these kind of trades, you're not going to be in very long, but you're just going to scalp your level, and you're done. So I'm kind of done for the day. I made 2 accounts up about 380 a piece ish. So yeah, I kind of already hit my goal for Monday already. And I might make some trades in the morning, but mostly doing videos and trying to help people out. And I wouldn't say criticism per se, but someone's like, making fun of my results, and I get these are. We haven't forward tested this stuff, right? I'm just sharing with you that these are just. This is just back testing. I know it means nothing, so everyone should know it. I take it for a grain of salt. It's just something fun I'm doing, right? Guys, don't take it so serious. You guys are way too serious. This is. I don't expect these results. Okay, I don't trade Bitcoin. We all know the spread's crazy. I know this isn't real. Okay, that's why we are going to forward test this on NQ, people. Sorry, it's funny. People are taking me too serious sometimes on this stuff. We're going to forward this thing on NQ. Look, I didn't do any changes here. 280,000. 26,000 drawdown since January. Now again, this is only back testing. We are going to forward test this. I know this is, who knows this is, we don't know how legit this is. I don't know. So anyway, so I got a complaint about that. Duh, guys, I know, back testing. So I'm going to be, you guys are funny. I know this isn't real, okay? It's called showing something that's kind of cool, all right? Anyway, sorry, it's funny. And then someone's like, well, where's the stop loss? And where's the blah, blah, blah? Okay, fine. I will update it, all right? This is a free indicator, okay? Peeps, all right? Free. This is not meant to be like a game-changing, life-changing indicator. This just has some cool AI stuff. And yeah, you get in, you got your first profit here, you get in, so I gave some ATR stuff to play with, right? So if someone wants to make a strategy out of it, cool. This is not my best indicator, right? It's a good indicator, but my good one is the strategy is this A+, all right? The A+ is really good. This isn't even the right one. This is just another one I've been working on. So anyway, this is just a free indicator for everyone to use. And again, look at even tonight, okay? So people are so funny. Where's your ATR? I mean, okay, sorry, people drive me crazy. So look at this. You're already 100%. So you already had 2 winning trades tonight on a free indicator. Can I say that again? This is a free indicator. All right. Sorry. Anyway, free. Anyway, otherwise we have our awesome robust ones, and look at this freaking trade. Like I mentioned, you're getting a bounce off the daily. Again, I just want to reiterate. You guys can use these GAN levels with precision. All I did was micros today, and it's almost $1,000 today, just trading. And again, I caught kind of the reversal one. The better ones actually were going with the trends, but there's infinite ways to do it, and I will get on the call with anybody that wants to learn GAN trading. If you don't want to pay the $25 a month, for $47 a month, whatever. Sometimes people, anyway, usually it's $47 a month, but Gumroad is weird, and it switches back and forth. But if someone does not want to pay me, it's not pay me, it's like I just want people that have a genuine interest. I'm not making money off the indicator. It's just a side thing for fun. And I don't mean to have negative energy here. It's just people are funny. If someone doesn't want to pay, I will teach you how to draw them manually. You don't have to have them drawn for you. If you want to draw these manually, I will jump on a call with you and show you how to draw them. So you can just have them plotted, and you don't have to pay for anything. I am just lazy, and I like them, and I paid a coder a lot of money for this ability. I could not code it. AI could not code it. I tried. AI was not smart enough to code this. Okay. Now maybe someone can have to do it. I couldn't figure it out, and that's fine. I have an awesome programmer who's working on the strategy with me, and he's an awesome dude. So I love having cool people a part of this journey. I don't want to be by myself on this, right? Could I find a way to automate the strategy on my own? Maybe, but why not you have a friend that I like, and we can work together. And if you look at our Discord channel, it's kick-ass. Everyone is just having a blast, right? Now, we're all different stages of the learning process, yes, and that's part of it. I mean, I spent months and months with GAN, and people see me trade live where I've been burned, but in general, 9 times out of 10 on the training days, GAN, I won't say me, GAN will tell me the story, and usually I follow the GAN story pretty well. Not 100%. I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes, 100%. But that's where you learn, right? I mean, you learn more on your learning days, and I posted learning days on here. I don't know how much more transparent I can be, just because I have a passion for this business. I have a passion for indicators. I have a passion for the prop space, finding legitimate places to make money. I have a passion to help people. I have a passion for my own learning. I mean, all around passion for this whole just this whole area of trading. And so, yeah, I love the people that are in our Discord. And, not that I love people struggling, but if you do struggle in an area, let's jump on a call. Let's figure out, maybe GAN isn't for you, right? I mean, to me, most of trading is your mind's, number one, your own mind is your indicator. Two is your strategy. And then, three is everything else that you can do to help optimize what you're doing. And if GAN isn't working for you, well, then I'll do my best to help you find what works for you. Because all I care about mainly at the end of the day is us as retail traders, the small guys, to succeed. So for me, that's what I care about. GAN to GAN is, to me, I love the edge it gives us because it gives us these daily levels, FAR levels where the pros are trading at. So that's the edge I like, right? It gives us an edge. As long as we're not reckless and we're balanced in what we're doing, we can use these areas to our advantage. Now, are they 100%? Nothing is 100%. That's done, right? We all know that. That's just life, right? So I don't want to beat a dead horse there. But anyway, so this is kind of a recap of tonight's trades, a recap how I've added the ATR, and you can see this trade might not, you have 2 winners tonight, and likely you might cut this one, right? So this was in profit, sort of, but as it's coming in, if it flips, you get out, right? This is not nothing magic about this. It's just, it has some cool code in it. But you can see overall it did pretty well. I mean, if you look back, it's not too bad. It's not the best indicator, but it's free. And it gives you a taste of some of the things that I do. That's all I wanted to provide, just a kind of a basic version of it, right? And then when you're ready to kind of go to the more advanced version, where it looks like we have a lot of shit on here, and we do, but it's all for a reason. This VWAP gives us good trades, right? This AI number that's quoted in the compass gives us good trades. The daily number gives us good trades. So when you really zoom in and you kind of get past of all these shitty lines, well, okay, you focus on an area and it gives you context. And it's not as crazy as you think. It just, all this stuff helps you figure out what to do. Nothing's 100%, but it gives you an idea of market structure, price action at the most precise moments. So you're not waiting for a signal. Like, I don't even have a signal one on here, right? Because I don't need a signal. I need a good level, give me confirmation, and I'm going to get a good trade. Just like this one here. We had a 4-hour GAN level. It came off this AI number again. It's kind of a double. For me, that was a good trade. Okay, now for someone else, they might not have seen that, right? We're all different. But for me, I felt like, okay, if it holds on this 4-hour, I can scalp like I did. I just scalped a couple levels and got out. I didn't hold very long, right? And this would have been probably even better because you're with the flow of the current trend, which is a bear market. You have your again, rehit it. This would have been a good entry, and with your stop right, in this area. Look at that. You got a some nice ticks, right? What else can you ask for on a good system and support? So anyway, just want to do a quick video. Appreciate all you guys. Sorry for the just people are funny. I know people, you never know the tone of messages, but it's funny that people can just harp on you when I don't even know where they're at in their journey or where they're at. I don't know. People are just funny. So anyway, that's my take. People are funny. Take care.